Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your AT&T Internet Air. Start by opening the box and taking out the Wi-Fi hub. Place it on a flat surface. Now plug the power cable into the hub and connect it to a power outlet. For the best performance, try to place the hub near a window where it can receive a stronger signal from outside. Once plugged in, the device will power on automatically. You will see lights on the front begin to blink as it starts up. Next, take your smartphone and download the AT&T Smart Home Manager from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your AT&T account details. After logging in, follow the instructions on the screen to activate your device. The app will ask you to scan the QR code located on the bottom of the Wi-Fi hub. If scanning does not work, you can manually enter the serial number instead. Now comes positioning. The app will show a signal strength indicator. Slowly move the hub around your room and watch the signal level change. Choose a spot where the signal is strongest. This helps your internet perform better. Wait until the light on the hub turns solid white or green. This means your connection is ready. Finally, go to your phone, laptop, or other devices and connect to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password provided in the app. Thanks for watching.